Hello, today we are going to talk about India Bank Home Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for India Bank Home Loan. Having monthly salary which is fit to cover EMI. Applicant age should be between 18 years to 75 years. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 675. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 10 lakh to no limit. Tenure will be up to 5 years to 30 years. Login fees will be nil. Rate of interest will be 8.50% to 10.40% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 3 days for salaried person and 7 days for self-employed. Insurance and other charges will nil. Foreclosure charges will be nil. Processing fees will be nil for individual and 0.25% of the loan amount for others. Part payment is allowed. Home loan OD product is allowed. Products are new home purchase plus construction loan, seller BT plus top-up, home renovation. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 3 years. Job experience for salaried person is 2 years. Experience with current employer should be 3 months. Location is Pen India. Let's talk about some negative points. There is no negative profiles. Negative properties are other than approved property. There is no specific product. Required documents. Minimum for the applicant and co-applicant is 18 years. Maximum for both applicant is 70 years. Salaried. Self-employed. Resident Indian. Non-resident Indian, NRI. Person of Indian origin, PIO.